guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my sitting room. I told you guys that we are renovating. We were doing some renovation in the sitting room. Obi paints the wall and we shaded the wallpaper. I just finished cleaning, so I'm going to be giving you guys my sitting room tour. I don't want to be talking too much, so I want to show you guys around. So you see that wall? We just changed the wallpaper. Yeah, that's it. Before it was white and maybe something like pink, I don't remember. Yeah, and a little wallpaper, but now this is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So our Christmas tree is still there. I just have to keep it soon. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. This is it. Yeah, this is it. These are Christmas candles. They smell so good, guys. They smell like Christmas cookies. So this is what it's looking like. So this side we have the window, the curtain. So yeah, let's talk about that side first, because that's my favorite part of the sitting room. I just love that wall clock. That wall clock is everything. So guys, just take a look. You guys are going to be seeing this a lot because I'm going to be filming here. Yeah, I think this year I'm going to be doing lots of sit-down videos. I just feel like I have stuff to talk about, you know. So this is what that place is looking like. It's just our pictures. Let me just in Nathan's picture because Nathan have a lot of pictures here. So this is the kids table. Let's move to this side. So yeah, I still have my water here. Let me remove it from you guys. So I just had to put this flower so that it will look good. That's it. So this we always put our shoes there anytime we go out. So okay, that's what it's looking like. And there we put our jackets when we go out. And this is our door, this is our bed, and here we just keep our keys here. You know, we just keep our keys and we are good to go. So guys, yeah, this is Christmas candle. That's what it is. Spiced orange cookies. So that's it for the room, for the sitting room tour. So I just like the view from here. What do you guys think? I think the view is everything from here. So like I said, this is my favorite part of the house. I just love this place, the details. So I added this. It's a Christmas flower though, but it's kind of cute, but I'm keeping it even though Christmas is over. So this is candle. Smells so good. It's a Christmas candle. Smells so good. So I just like this one. It's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. So cute. So guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share. Let me know if you like this kind of video so that I can be bringing you more of home decor. I love decoration. I love switching things. I love switching things around the house. Yeah, that's just it. I don't like when things remain the same for a long time. It makes me bored. I just like changing things around the house. Let me know guys if you like this video, because as for me, I love this kind of video. I watch it all the time. So comment down below what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Ciao ciao.